Yo, chat. What's poppin', bro? How we doing? What's good? What's good? What's good? We're back, man. We are back. What's good? What's poppin'? What's good, Max, Eugene, Leon, Nell, Rays, Aditya? What's poppin'? What's poppin'? What's poppin'? So, chat. Listen, big day. Big day today, and by big day I mean Friday. Right? Big Friday today. What's good, Joshua? What's good, FNAM? Mr. Gene? Did you just stream at us? Yeah, I did. What are you gonna do about it? Let's give him a link here. Chat, what's poppin'? So, bro, look at that 1 hour. That is crazy. Yeah. Interesting, chat. Let me do an analysis real quick. Because, wow. Yeah, this could be interesting, I can't lie. So chat, the 4 hour, obviously the daily's got a bottom wick here. The 4 hour's starting to push up as well. You did reflip after coming down. Oh yeah, music's loud. Wait. Very good point. Alright, we'll turn that down a little bit. Thank you. So, obviously we did start to close, we did start to push bearish here on the 4 hour. Now we're starting to push back up. So, that being said, right, what we're going to do is essentially look to get some buys to continue up here, most likely, especially if this 4 hour can close bullish here in about 56 minutes. The 1 hour has come down with the bottom wick first. And I would say, to be honest, if you look at your ranges here, you're in between these two areas here, between 26.95 and 26.89, most likely. However, I don't like the way the 30-minute closed, to be honest. Not the biggest fan of that. But in reality, chat, if this 1 hour starts to push down here, like we are doing right now, I don't see any reason why you shouldn't push up, to be honest, after doing this. You've got essentially a 1 hour that's closed pretty much doji. I did have a level at 93, and now I'm not sure why I had it there. I guess maybe off this 30-minute. Oh, was it here? Yeah, it was. Yeah, that's my only concern, is that we're starting to reject quite heavily off of that area. Also, you do have no bottom wick on the previous 30, which I'd like to see you come down and grab, to be honest. With that being said, though, chat, this 5... Wait, I need to open my broker real quick. This 5-minute could close with no bottom wick. That might be a little bit interesting. Especially since the way the 1 hour closed. It didn't close with no bottom wick though, just so you know. You're ripping down there. You got a lot of volume. Comics opens very shortly, right? You are respecting this level too. Could be the bottom wick for all we know, chat. Could be the bottom wick. Starting to push back up. But you do respect that level here at 2689.3. I want to see what we do on the 5 here. Or maybe even the 1. Bro, I'm telling you, it's so cold right now in the UK. I'm literally sat here freezing. Chat, what is this? Got a ripping down. Are you going to make a bottom wick for the previous 30? No, by the looks of it. Nearly 6 degrees there? Bro, okay, you win. You win, Rez. You win, bro. That's crazy. 6 degrees is nuts. Chat, this 5-minute just flipped here. If we weren't ripping down so heavily bearish, I'd be looking at potentially taking some buys. But I probably need like a 5-minute closure or something first. I do think you got room up to like 95, probably. If not, at least like 93.5. 1 hour still needs a top wick, most likely. Bro, I'm shivering. What the fuck is going on? Why is it so cold? 5 degrees is... Oh, 5... Bro. Feels just one up to you there, Rez. Seem to have a bit of bedhead. That's crazy. Bedhead? Bro, my hair is not. Nah, we're chilling. Maybe a little bit. Alright. Interesting, chat. You did reject this push up. I thought if we were going to push up, it would have been like, it would have already happened right now. I'm head in bed is crazy. But yeah, with the fact that the 1 hour is pushing up here, chat, you've been essentially just trying to... I mean, look, the previous 1 hour grabbed so much liquidity. This 1 hour is grabbing a shitload of liquidity too. That's so interesting. Bro withstood an Arctic plunge, but is shivering in a sweater right now. Yeah, that's so true. I can't lie. That is so true. Cold plunge was minor, but this is different gravy. Bro, we're ripping down, chat. Holy shit. You are going to react, though. It's probably going to be like here somewhere. 87.5, 87.8. This is some jar level buys right here. Nah, but the thing is, it keeps re-breaking, right? It keeps trying to reject and then re-break, so I can't take that. Didn't most of the UK houses got a heater? Yeah, I turned the heater on, but... Dual line buys? Crazy. Crazy, just... Jar level buys, yeah. Is what I meant. Interesting, chat. If this 5 closes bullish here in about a minute's time, I'm going to probably gain some buys here. Because at that point you can expect us to continue and drive up and make this a bottom wick on the 1 hour. Especially because look at how we keep pushing down and grabbing liquidity and like failing to push up. So eventually you are gonna have to make that push. 30 seconds, chat. I would want to see a bottom wick on the next 5 still though. And that seems a bit weird, but I would want to see that just to make sure we don't just rip down straight afterwards. Focus up here, chat. Need a top wick as well. Holy shit, bro. Holy shit, I was so close to clicking the button. Bro, I was so close to clicking that button. Bro, literally I was like hovering over the button ready to click it. I thought we might come down and get a bottom wick. That is insane. I don't want to jump in now. I think that's I think this can run, but I don't want to jump in right now. Like technically you could take the 1 hour flip here, but bro, we nearly got another, like, we nearly beat the 4-second trade there. That would have been probably like 1 second. What the fuck was that? Just a volume spike, to be honest, bro. Like, nothing else to say. No FOMO though. Holy shit, that was crazy. Just get vexed. Whoa. Bro, I swear to God, I was like hovering over the buy button. Yeah, it is what it is, chat. Sometimes in life. 14 pips, good stuff, Nell. Congrats. Congrats, bro. Flips the table from anger, I know. Sometimes in life. Chat. Drop a like if you haven't already, man. Hopefully this can rip down so we don't get upset. Yeah, I did actually happen to catch 30 pips off stream in the Signals group. So we did actually manage to grab a trade today, right? But that would have been so clean, I can't lie. No! You thief. Eugene, bro, you could have taken it and got that 1% you're looking for. Explain the trade. Wait, I'm a bit locked in right now. I want to see what happens here. I'm going to start a massive fight with the market. $40 subs away from 5k? Yeah, Brazy, right? I unmute the signals? Wow. Wow. Bro's got the signals muted, you know. Missed out on 30 pips today. Crazy. Chat, we were so close to getting those buys. So sad. That would have been it. That would have been an early day. Actually, I got signals just to mute them. Crazy. Oh, 5 flip, chat. Flippington. My cat just knocked water all over the keyboard. Oh, you shouldn't have a cat, bro. Fuck cats. I'm joking. Yeah, fair play. I mean, not fair play. Hopefully it's not broken. I got 2 cats, you met them? I didn't meet them, bro. I virtually met them. When I meet them in real life, though, I'm going to spark them both out. Fair play, you know. Yeah, my bad. Fair play to the cat, man. I feel like cats just play some devious pranks. Master pranksters. Yeah, fair play, cat. GG's. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. GG's to the cat. Really and truly. Rookie question. On the funded trader asks what platform to pick. Is it platform 5, MT5? Yeah. They can't call it that, though, because of some licensing shit. But yeah, it's MT5. We might rip up here, chat, to be fair. Whoa. Wow. Shit flipped as well, chat. There's so much volume right now. Looking at using your discount code? Yeah, I appreciate that, bro. Yeah, SG 20% off. It's actually a pretty fucking good deal, to be fair. I can't lie. So much volume right now, but it seems very indecisive. Plans for the weekend? Tomorrow I have to go meet someone in Coventry, which is dead. Quite far away. So I have a little meeting there. And then I have... What else? I'm just going to be working, to be honest. I'm going to be working. And then, yeah. Hope you ain't watching. No, I just mean Coventry's dead. Who lives in Coventry? No offense to anyone who lives in Coventry. Congratulations for the gym, SG. Thank you, Doc. Appreciate it, bro. Got shorts from 63. Why did it come back? Shame gold. 63. Can't imagine how many miles you do. Yeah, I know, bro. I actually do so many. Traveling man. 93. Okay, I was gonna say, bro, 63 was like down here. I feel like those weren't the best shorts, bro. But nah, fair play. 93. Yeah, decent. How's the 100k account doing? I haven't traded it since like Tuesday. What's good, Spion? Yeah, chat. Let's lock it in though, because realistically, bro, that was a clean entry here, but obviously it's gone now, so we have to wait and see what we can get next. This 30-minute looks like it wants to flip, but it's struggling here. Might go though. It's just so indecisive here on the 50. On this, sorry, this current 5-minute. It keeps pushing up, down, left, right, center, diagonally. Chat, give this man his 5k subs. But I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, we should be on there right now. Does gold go the opposite from DXY? Yeah, people, well, they are meant to be counter, what's it called? Fucking inversely correlated is what I'm looking for. But I don't think it's always the case, because a lot of times, like during the election, they were both trending upwards, weren't they? Or downwards, sorry. No, they weren't. DXY was pushing up. It's before the election. There was a time when gold and DXY were pushing the same way. So, like, you can't always just rely on it. But chat, look. New vlog is going to come out in about an hour's time. We're going to be sat there in the premiere, waiting, chilling. But now, after stream, we'll jump on the premiere, because this vlog's a good one, to be fair. I think it's... yeah, bro. I'm just going to leave it as that, to be honest. Focus. Focus, focus. Yeah, chat. So 5-minute closing here in about 47 seconds. Hopefully we can see a nice push here, to be honest. I just want to close in one direction or the other. Obviously, you've got the 15-minute closing, or sorry, the 30-minute as well, closing in about 10 minutes. What jumper you got on? It's none of your business, actually. Yeah, look, 30 minutes though, it's like really trying to re-break its high and flip, but it seems as if we're really struggling at this 92 area. It's a bit, you know, which is why I was kind of hesitant in taking buys. But to be honest, if you got the wick, you'd be fine. Bronze your glasses? I actually don't know. You told. Yeah, trust me. Bro, look at this. We keep doing the nice little bottom wick thing, flip back up. Then it will just sit here and range for a while. I'll see what the 15 does, chat. If this 15 can close bullish, this will be exactly what the trade was that I took earlier, like pretty much to the T. When will NY open? Yeah, in an hour from now. But you got comics open currently, chat, so you might see a pop here, to be honest. There's a lot of volume. If this breaks the high, you're probably going to see a drive. Yeah, there you are. It's gonna rip, chat. You got comics open right now too. Maybe not. Seems like we're really struggling at this level, but once you do break through it, you will expect to see a pop, to be honest. 5-minute flipped. Was pushing P mean? I feel like I'm the exact wrong person to answer that. I've got no clue. Whoa! Bro, look at this volatility right now. It's like up, down, left, right, center. It's going crazy. Bro, you actually would have survived as well. Oh shit, we're gone. 95.6, yeah, I agree. Bro, it's not speaking Brit or not. I never understand Eugene, to be honest. So I just let him say what he says and then kind of move on. You can't just repeat what you said, bro. Like, I've got no clue what the Xauusd pills means. Or are you saying pillies? Like, snus? Yeah, chat, this was exactly what the trade we did earlier did, though. It literally was like hovering around for ages, and then it just popped. If we would have got that entry, yeah, we would have been good, but I didn't want to take anything here, to be honest. Oh, Zeus. I say, why is bro saying Zooey? Makes no sense. Seen them going around London? No, what are they, bro? Is it like MD pills? Or what? What type of pill is it? Stiffy pills. Yeah, maybe. Crazy. Why are you trying to get a hold of them, you nitty? It's insane. You just said earlier I'm trying to get a hold of them. Chat. 5 minutes of the 30-minute closure here. How are we going to close? I feel like you do need to tap into like, yeah, 95.6. I don't see why you'd go anywhere else, but the only concern as well is that you do have a 4-hour close shortly too. This 4-hour close is bullish though. You probably are going to see a continuation back up, to be honest. That'd probably be a pretty clear low that you've made. I like this rejection though. Quite strong rejection there. I feel like you had so many opportunities to get back in there, like this was just eventually gonna go. Time goes really fast. This 1 hour opened up like 4 minutes ago. Yeah, especially when it's high volume, trading makes time go fast. I agree, but when it's low volume, it goes so slow. Like when it's just trickling, if you're watching the charts, it feels like hours. Oh. Nice. 4 minutes chat. What can we do here? This is gonna run, bro. This is tough. I didn't want this to run without us. Might have to wait for the 4 hour. Only thing is 4 hour stops get a little bit tricky. Let's see how this next 30-minute opens. If the 30-minute can push straight down on the open, you can potentially get a wick entry. I can't believe that. You know, like, those ones are so crazy when you have your hand, like, and you're about to click the button and then it's already gone. It's probably lucky, to be fair, that we didn't, because, like, when you click buy and it does that, a lot of times you'll just get activated, like, up here or something. It's happened to me before where you click buy and suddenly you're, like, 10 pips higher than where you wanted to buy at. It's fucked. Yeah, we're ripping. That 95 tap we were looking at. To be fair, on the 1 hour though, it's just got room infinitely, to be honest. There's no real ranges here. Sorry, that's the 4 hour. On the 1 hour, it's got room up until like 99 probably. But yeah, 95 is probably the key area. On the 4 hour, sorry, it's got room infinitely there. You have a dressing gown? No, why would I own a dressing gown? How do you determine when a position is going to need more aggressive management beforehand? Like when it's very high volume, or when it's, you know, quite close to a rejection area, or when stops are super tight, or when you think it might be like a very quick move up, like let's say a 5 minute pops up or whatever. Yeah. Imagine the whole trading market has only one time frame. A lot of people do only look at one time frame. I tell you what, the amount of questions I get of people saying, what time frame do you use? And they say, what specific single time frame? And I'm like, bro, I use every time frame. What do you mean? One time frame. Crazy. Yearly time frame, yeah, only the yearly time frame. Like driving a car and saying, what gear do you use? Yeah, trust me. Good Blandy. No dressing gown, bro's missing out. No shot, bro. I'm not rocking a dressing gown. Big up. Yo, Jar, did you catch those buys? I'm almost certain you did, bro. From either here or here. Nah, okay. Bro. Swear down. That was the one right there. That was the cleanest entry off that close. Oh. That 30-minute close in, respecting the level, interestingly. You're going to start to push down as well here. So the real question is, how is this 4 hour going to close? If the 4 hour can close just bullish somehow, even if you retrace a little bit right now, if you close bullish, we can tap back into 89 and get that, you know, initial buy entry we were looking for. I'll be happy as Larry. That's such an old person saying. I've never said that before in my life. But there you go. Position we caught in the signals earlier as well was 2-to-1 risk to reward. What's happening to SG, bro? This guy's turning into a RR monster. Caught I know, yeah, trust me. 4 hour, 1 hour comparison looks mad confusing, bro. You know what's crazy is, where did I catch buys earlier? I don't know. Here, maybe. But, the mad thing is, no, it was actually here, I think, and it came all the way up. You've essentially got this 4 hour close in 28 minutes. If you do close bullish here, you can get a bit of a retracement. We should be clean for some buys. Nightbot dead? Nah. Oh, is Nightbot dead? Yeah, it's doing it. Okay, alright. I think it's back. Maybe it's not doing it for Spion. I just banned it just for you, bro. No, but listen, you need to be careful here at this area, right? 95.6 is essentially where we had our rejection area earlier. Now that you've tapped into it, of course, we weren't able to grab the buys, but you've tapped into it and you might start to reject now and push down a little bit. Either way, right, we want the 4 hour to close nicely, but I don't want it to be just super bullish because in that case, right, you're going to firstly need a big retracement. Secondly, you're going to need... Oh. This could be interesting, chat. This could be interesting. This might flip the 4 hour. This might actually flip the 4 hour, I'm not going to lie. Let's see what we do here, chat. Unless you close like with a no bottom wick on the 5, then you should be good. Obviously, remember the 30-minute did close super bullish too, so you can't just jump in sells here expecting that. I have a feeling I did have a feeling we were going to react strongly off this level, and I still think we will, to be honest. Nightbot took its yearly smoke break. Yeah. Smoke break is crazy. What do you think of C-Bum moving to the open? Or hasn't he just moved there for this one event in Croatia and then he's done for life? I think he's just like... I think he just wanted to test something out. He's not fully there forever, I don't think. Like, he's not going to compete there properly. Is it Croatia he's competing in or some shit? I think it is. Bro, to be honest, I don't know if he's got... I thought he's hitting Olympia mass monster size. No, I don't think so, bro. I think he's got like one show and then he's done. I think he just wanted to try... From what I saw, I think he just wanted to try an open stage because he always wanted to do it. But he's obviously not going to have the mass to compete with those guys. Like, no shot he's going to compete with like... what's that guy's name? That guy from like Pakistan or wherever it is. I don't think he's from Pakistan. I can't remember. Anyway. Did he started there and wanted to end there? Yeah, makes sense. Samson Bra. No, that dude's crazy. It's about time he leaves and retires. Good marsh. Bro, I don't know about that. Like, I think if he would have stayed in the Open, he would have won it. Sorry, in the Classic, he would have won it for a good 3 or 4 more years. I think if his heart was in it. But yeah, I think it's not a bad idea for him to retire. I don't think anyone was going to get anywhere near him, to be honest, for a while. 1 hour just flipped here though. We short this gold, bro. I don't know about that just yet. What I'm excited about though is if the 4 hour can close like this, that's just a really, really clean retracement here. So let's see what we can do on this 4 hour close, because you can close bullish exactly like this and tap back into 89. We'll be in buys right there. And then I'm going to go hit a leg day, to be honest. The biggest leg day ever. By that, I mean probably some average leg day, but, you know. Oh, no, I'm not, actually. I'm going to watch the vlog first. I'm going to watch the premiere with you guys, and then I'll hit a leg day. You ever try trading with the MT5 web browser? It looks just like TradingView. Not really. I don't think it. I don't know. Maybe I've never tried it though. Dark in here. Crazy. Ripping down right now, chat. Okay, so you got 15-minute close as well in about 6 minutes. You're gonna retrace pretty much the whole of the range here. 1 hour is obviously flipped here. Started to break its own low again on the 15. Chat, this is crazy volume. Big boys fighting. What, buyers and sellers? Yeah, true. 4 hour gonna flip, chat. I said this might flip the 4 hour. About like 2 minutes ago. I don't know if it will, to be fair. This could, for all you know, just be a higher low, right? Being made. Liquidity grab. Realistically, if the 15 closes like this, there's not much I can do until the 4 hour. I need to see like a bullish 4 hour close at least. 1 hour is going to flip bearish. Or has flipped bearish, sorry. If it closes bearish, then I don't know what to do. No, I don't know what to do, but you know what I mean? Like, not much you can do is what I meant. I don't know what to do. Interesting. Very possible, chat, that this is just another low being made for us to continue back up. Very, very possible. But gang, what are you guys up to for the weekend? What's your plans? You guys doing much? I feel like you guys live very interesting lives. Chill this weekend, that's all. Yeah, bro, you were out last weekend, right? So you gotta chill this one. Pulling wire. Crazy. Just a bit here and there. Spion's doing bits and bobs, basically. Flying to Tennessee? Insane. What are you doing in Tennessee? Go visit Distria? Nice, bro. Hiking in the forest? That sounds sick. Actually does sound fun, bro. I can't lie. Like the farm I shot with? Oh, crazy. You have to fucking fly there. I forget how big America is, right? It's insane. You have to fly to a different like city or state or whatever. Chat, pushing back up here. Interesting. So by the looks of it, it was just another low being made. This structure on the 5, right? It's just continuously bullish. Americans do holiday in their own countries. That's how big it is. Yeah, that's true actually. Bro, to be fair, it's the same if you live in Europe though, kind of. Like, you can pretty much just go anywhere in Europe, and it feels like not the same country, but it's just super easy. Yeah, 15-minute close here in 2 minutes. What is the move? Four losses this week, what the hell? It is what it is, bro. Bro, sometimes that happens, I can't lie. Sometimes that happens. But to be fair, it's been a tough week in terms of price action, so I mean, it's understandable. Brits need a visa when they visit Europe. No, we get 90 days or something, or 180 days. I think it might be 90 days actually, but without a visa, then you have to leave. So like whenever I go, obviously it like adds up as well. You can't if you go for like 20 days, 20 days, 20 days, it all adds up, and then eventually they'll be like, nah, you can't stay for this amount of time. It's like, shit. I feel like America might once again become a superpower now there. Like, you might actually have some global strength again. Bro, yeah, American Dream's back on the menu, yeah, trust me. They took it off for a little bit, but I've seen like stuff about negotiations and shit with like, I don't want to say the countries' names, but with all the wars and stuff. It's crazy. I don't know if it's true or not, but I saw some posts about it. Chat, look at this pushing up. I think once you close above 26.95, you're going to have a lot of room here, to be honest. You got room till at least 2700. 2700 is obviously quite a strong level, you know, due to the psychology of it all. Fair, yesterday when we retested that, you reacted quite heavily. To let your catch up, bro. Y'all. 15 closed, Doji. Top weight first on the next 15. This could get interesting, right? There's a lot of potential today, so definitely stick around. Not time to dip off right now. I think we're gonna be able to grab something here very, very shortly. Very, very shortly. It's a matter of time, right? The 4-hour closes here in about 14 minutes. Once that 4-hour closes, basically it's going to give you a great idea on the direction of the day. Yeah, okay, cool. So, testing into the level here. The question is, right, are you going to react off the level? Especially because you got no bottom wick. There's a likelihood that this 15 will flip here, push down, instead of breaking through. You might need to come down, grab a little bit more liquidity, and then push up. But again, like, at this point, there's not really much I can do, to be honest. Just have to wait for that 4-hour. That's the main thing. That 4 hours is really gonna essentially give you a very good idea on direction. Holy shit, yeah, pushed. Pushed. Craziest lot size you've ever seen someone trade on? Yeah, probably like... I think I've only seen actually like 100 lots on a terminal. Right, someone messaged me yesterday saying what, like someone DM'd me saying what lot size do you trade on? I said 10,000. They were like, wait, really? I know, bro. What about news? There's no news today, bro. There's Canadian news, but that doesn't really, you know, make an impact for us. Just said yes. Bro, I thought the fact that I said 10,000 was pretty much a dead giveaway. Now there's American news. It's orange folder at 3, right? Red folder? Bro, what do you mean? I'm literally looking at the thing. Am I tripping or what? Consumer sentiment? It's at 3 though. In 1 hour? Yeah, but that's fine. How is it red for you? How does that make any... How can it be a different color? What's going on? SG, what's the goods? Last night's FMC was a bit of a buzzkill relative to the usual volume. Yeah, we still killed it though. We still caught our little 4-second trade on FOMC, so we'll take it. But chat, look, you got a 4-hour closing here very shortly. I want to see a pullback before we close in 10 minutes. Looking your chart down on the news icon. Yeah. But it's in over an hour, right? Into like an hour, basically. Means that I'm not worried about it. I only don't trade if it's like within 15 minutes or 30 minutes. But to be honest, by that time we'll probably be watching the premiere anyway. Like, if I don't get anything on this 4-hour, I'll most likely call it a day because firstly, I think that was the entry for the day, and I think we just missed it. I think that was the cleanest entry that you'll get today, to be honest. I'll wait until probably 2:30. So like, we'll wait for like basically another hour. If I don't get anything by then, we'll just go over straight to the premiere and watch that shit. And then call it a nice, good week. Yeah, it's been a good week. It's been a long week though. We did three streams yesterday. And then 2 every other day. So yeah, man. Hey SG, who's your favorite English Premier League team? And why is it the LA Lakers? We have to think about how the Lakers have done so well in scoring early on in the championship. You know? In the Champions League as well. Their defensive line. They get so many touchdowns, bro, in the Premier League. It's crazy. And home runs at the same time. So I don't know. For me, they're just the best. Tiger Woods with the touchdown was crazy. It was, bro. Trendlines, explain the trade of the morning. Yeah, bro, I got you. So this morning's trade, we were here. Started to push up. And essentially we've just been forming like this higher high, respected the lows over and over. I expected us to push up after we closed bullish on this 1 hour. Sorry, no, after we closed like doji here. And then, yeah, eventually we just waited for one bullish closure on the 30-minute. Lakers touchdown in the Premier League. Yeah, and a home run, bro. Wait, hang on, let me explain this. What time did we close? Yeah, so 11:30. We waited for this closure here, like a bullish closure, small bottom wick, and then I just waited for one more confirmation, which was that flip and re-break of the high, and then just got in, and you saw an instant pop, and we closed. That was about it. Just again, obviously we're bullish for the day. If you look at the structure, I was a bit concerned with the fact that we were ranging up and down so heavily. Like, there was a lot of volatility again. So we waited for a confirmation being this. Yeah. I just wanted the 30 to close bullish. It was also the 4-hour flip too, right? The 4-hour opened up here, came all the way down, grabbed a lot of liquidity. I didn't want to take a trade on the 4-hour, like on the 4-hour stops, because it was ginormous. It was like, you know, 80 pip stops. I waited for this 30 to close. Once it closed, we used the 30-minute candle for stops, like 20 pips or something. And then, yeah, closed off at like 29, which was, what was that? Somewhere up here. Yeah, decent. Good trade. But yeah, chat, look at this. You're ripping up right now, which is so tough. Makes it very difficult for us to get buys here now that you've already tapped into 700, because 700 is a key level for us. On the 4, it's not really there, but overall it is, in my opinion. Very, very important level. Right, Berkshire Hathaway, otherwise known as Warren Buffett, they've got 320 billion in cash reserves? How is that possible? That's like, bro, that's like incomprehensible amount of money. 320 billion in cash. That means, I mean, it's not going to be all in one account, don't get me wrong, but that means they have one, like, their balance sheet is just going to say cash 320 and then 9 zeros, bro. I can't even like comprehend it. If this keeps just ripping like this, I don't know what to say. Like, if it keeps doing this, I'm just gonna have to call it, because at this point, yeah, there's not much you can do. The daily trying to flip, I know. I did say that this was the daily low earlier, 2680, sorry. Literally said that. Once you enter the hundreds of millions, I reckon it's just numbers on paper. You lose that sense of money, SG. But yeah, I think it's like a high score thing. I think it becomes like a high score. I also think it's never enough money. Maybe you just have to do it for the love of the game, you know, for the love of what you do. Chat, we're gonna respect 2700 here. If we do, I think it might make it very difficult to take buys. Once I have 9 zeros in my bank, I'll give you a shout. Yeah, no worries. 4 minutes chat to the closure here. Yeah, starting to reject as well. 15-minute no bottom wick still is crazy. But look, last time we did this, the exact same thing happens, right? We just started cascade downwards. I have a strong feeling we're going to respect 2700. I'm a mobile developer by trade, but I've truly fallen in love with trading. It's become my new passion. You're a mobile developer, like apps and shit. Crazy. Yeah, that's huge, bro. And yeah, trading is definitely can become like your main passion so easily. I hear that. I don't think money is such a strong motivator. I don't know, bro. I think it is. I don't think it's the money itself. I think it's what it buys, right? Like the freedom, experiences. I guess in some ways the material shit, but that's obviously the least important. That's the problem though. People fall in love with the material stuff, and don't get me wrong, I like good stuff too. Like I like designer shit, or new like LV bag and stuff. So like I like that too, but you can't let that like run you. You know, like I see so many people just chasing material items. But I just like the freedom that it brings. And just being able to do what you want when you want is crazy. The most important thing too, especially like in today's society. One of the biggest things is going on my morning walk and watching people hate their lives sitting in traffic. Bro, traffic is the main thing. I actually get it a little bit when I come back from the gym, because it ends up being like I come back from the gym as people finish work. But like other than that, yeah, traffic or like that morning rush is so shit. I had to run to the shop before the whale trip tonight. Have I missed anything? Bro, no. We nearly got an entry, but not quite. Wales trip. That should be fun. Whereabouts in Wales are you going? Bro, I did Snowdon when I was in school, when I was like 17, 18. That shit was so sick. Chasing above the range closures and bottom wick first. Yeah, the only problem is you're respecting the range now. Oh. But chat, the 4 hours closing here in 28 seconds, so focus up right now, lock it in. You are actually closing obviously quite heavily bullish here. So on the 4, everything looks good to me. Question is, can you come down and make a strong bottom wick? Newport, yeah, that's not ideal. Alright, chat, can we make a bottom wick here? If you push up and break the highs or whatever, like push up quite a bit, chat, that's going to be it from me, to be honest. But this looks actually quite promising. Let's see what we can do. You need to come down quite a bit further, to be honest, for me. Like a 7-pip bottom wick again. Not going to be enough. We re-rate the lows here again, chat. If you can re-rate the lows, should be good. Yeah, there you go. Should see a bit of a further push down right now. It's not enough, chat. I want to see like a very decent bottom wick so we can actually get a wick entry and not be taking the flip here. Because firstly, the flip's got massive stops. Secondly, I want to be catching the lows here, not the high. Yeah. Starting to reject here off this 95 level though. Again, seems indecisive right now. It seems to struggle to know whether it wants to push up or down. By the looks of it, we're going to go up here though. Yeah, you've gone. You are gone, chat. Oh, chat. I think. Yeah. I think I'm done, chat, to be honest. I think I'm done here, I can't lie. It's now, like, we'd have to wait for at least another closure and a retracement. I don't think, not that I don't think it's enough liquidity, but I'm not sure, to be honest, firstly, that I want to take a position here, especially since we closed respecting 2,700. I think you might start to see, like, a little bit of a pop-up and then a rejection, but obviously the candle's gone right now, chat. I wanted to get, you know, how do I explain that? A better entry than that, rather than taking that flip. Especially on a Friday afternoon, right? I don't want to try and risk that. For no reason. So, chat, what I think I'm going to do is I'm gonna direct you guys all into this premiere. If you want to watch the vlog, it's going to release in like 2 minutes. Not even. But yeah, 2 minutes time roughly. And we will essentially watch it all together. I'll probably do some giveaways in the chat there too as well. Make sure you pull up. Make sure you show some love. These vlogs take fucking ages to make. So much work goes into them. So make sure you show some support. I appreciate it a lot. And yeah, chat, look, that's going to be it from me today, to be honest. Let's jump into the premiere right now. And yeah, again, thank you guys for the support all week. Hopefully you guys have had a great week as well. It's been a bit of a crazy one, but I think it's been sick, to be honest. And yeah, chat, much love to every single one of you. I appreciate all of you very, very much. And yeah, see you, no, not on IG, bro. There's no more you see this. All right, see you guys in the premiere, chat. Make sure you jump in. Have a great one. Peace out. Much love. Bye-bye.